Hey, it's Matthew with US Energy Recovery, and I want to talk to you about what to expect out of our proposal. So here at US Energy Recovery, we want to pack as much information in this proposal as possible because we think it's important for you to be able to make the best decision for your organization. So inside of this proposal, you're going to see what your rebate is, what your cost of the project is, what your return on investment is, what your annual savings is, but it's going to get much more detailed than that. We're going to precisely calculate what your current system is pulling energy uses and what our proposed LED solution is pulling energy usage to be able to show you exactly how much kWh savings you're going to be able to see on a yearly basis. We're also going to calculate maintenance savings, cooling load reduction savings, and show you exactly the kW and amp load reduction there at your facility. Our rebate specialist here at US Energy is going to calculate exactly any rebates or incentives that are available for your facility, and we're going to show you that detailed out on the proposal. We've got multiple cash flow pages to help you make a good decision whether you want to finance the project or if you want to do a capital purchase of a project. We've got cash flow pages that are going to break out your 1 to 10 year inflow and outflow of the savings. So we want to pack in as much information as possible for you to make the best decision. If your facility would like a detailed proposal and a lighting audit of the facility, visit us at our website at usenergyrecovery.com.